Hi, in front of me is XIAOMI Redmi 9C, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. Firstly, open Settings. Now scroll down and choose Password and Security. Then click on Password. Over here, pick one of the options, Pattern PIN or Password. I will go with Pattern, so I have to click on it. Wait 5 seconds. Tap Got It. Draw my pattern, draw it again and tap Confirm. If you wanna add fingerprint, click Add, but I don't, so I will go with Cancel. And now when I turn off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!